How to add write-offs on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Write-off is any legitimate expense that can be deducted from your taxable income on your tax return. If you want to add write-off, you want to open the TurboTax website or TurboTax app on your laptop or PC, then make sure to sign into your account. Now start or continue your return, then head over to Deductions and Credits tab. Here you want to enter the write-offs. You can enter the personal deductions such as charitable donations, medical expenses, education expenses, and home buyer credits. You can also enter the business deductions such as office supplies, travel, meals, home office, and vehicle expenses. After that, TurboTax automatically identifies deductions you're eligible for and optimizes your write-offs. After entering all your write-offs, review the deduction summary provided by TurboTax. Double check your totals. Now submit your return, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.